All right, everyone, hello. This video I'm going to be showing you how to create how to create a contact in an opportunity. So basically this video is more like talking about how you can qualify a client immediately after they have filled your lead contact form or lead capture form on a funnel, for example. So let's say you have this funnel here, this particular funnel. So this is a funnel for a physiotherapy. So this is the owner, this is the founder, and this is the funnel. So here we have the form. This is the form, this is the lead capture form. So what happens is once I fill this lead capture form, it's going to create an opportunity here. That is for the new lead. So basically, it is very important for me to create a pipeline. So I've created the Lato pipeline, which has these 3 stages: new lead, booked, and closed. So the first thing that happens is coming here, I fill this. So let me just fill my name, my contacts here, adjust the phone number to make sure that it is acceptable. Shift plus so that's the plus sign 2547. Then change this to mail and let's just submit it. Boom. So you can see that now. Immediately I submitted that capture file, it brought me straight to the survey. So this survey is to qualify me to know what kind of service do I want from them as a client for their physiotherapy. So how this was made possible was using the backend. So this is the form in the backend on GoHighLevel. I actually integrated the form into this website using the embedded code. So basically what happened here is coming to settings here, I had already redirected on submission to redirect to this page. You can see, so this link is for this particular, like I said, the link here is the same thing with the link here. So that means once I submit this form, it's supposed to redirect me to this. So that is that. Instead of just having a message at the end of the form, so it automatically redirects me. So in other words, once the client is filling the form, is answering the survey immediately. So once they answers the survey, then from the survey you can book a call or you can send a message or an email based on. So instead of going through maybe a calendar, you can know instantly with a survey what a lead really wants, whether you need to go on a call with them or all you just need to do is to make some prescriptions or give them some tips as a professional in physiotherapy. So that is what this happens. That's what happens in the course of that. So one thing you can also do is you can see here in the pipeline, Lato pipeline, immediately I finished the form, what happened? It created me as a new lead. So this happened as a result of automation. I had already created an automation here for the lead capture. So if I open this automation here, you see. So what happened in this pipeline was as a result of this automation here. So it was this automation that caused this pipeline. It's still loading. So here I have the tag. It has added the tag of new lead. It has added the new lead tag. And that was part of the automation here. Okay, still loading. So you can see that now. So this is the automation that was created. So upon the submission of this form, yes, this Lato form, this Lato physiotherapy form. So once the form is selected, once this form is submitted, what happens? It creates an opportunity in a Lato pipeline. this particular pipeline here. And then after creating the opportunity, puts them in new lead, then adds this tag, the new lead tag, which it has rightly done for us here. So that is how it works. So everything becomes automatic. They fill the form, from the form move to the survey. So once they move down to the survey takes over from there. So now another thing is there's another workflow for the survey. So if I go to the survey now, which it has linked me to, so this is the survey. So if I select, for example, next, and then I select, for example, are you currently experiencing a mental crisis? So if you want to know whether my case is an emergency case, so I choose yes, for example, and I accept the terms and conditions and then submit. So it has submitted now. So one thing that happens is by the time I come to my pipeline again and I check through, there is another workflow that talks about the fact that I will be attached another, yes, this is another workflow for the emergency. So this is based on the survey. This is based on the survey. So if I come to this and I select it and I check the tags, you can see Lato emergency. That's because I had already filled yes. It follows this survey. So at this survey now, you can see the survey is this particular survey here. That was the title of the survey in the back end. This particular survey that I just finished filling. This is the title on the back end. So with this title, I created an if action, an if or else action, whereby once the person answers yes, so from here, if you click select this, you see that this is the question, the same question that I answered yes to. And once I answered yes, what happened? Once I answered yes, it added the tag, which is what lateral emergencies, which is the same thing with what is here. So after adding that tag, the next thing is what? It sends a notification. It's going to send a notification to Emma Devin, who is the assigned user for me as the lead that is coming in. So, and what is the information all about? You can see it is written here. Responded to the survey, reported in the survey an urgent, because I had already selected yes, so I showed that it was urgent and that it should contact me immediately. So based on the phone number that I've already put in the course of filling the form here, so I will be reached out to by Emma Devins, who is the agent that has been assigned to me. So that is how everything goes seamless from the process of capturing a lead on the website down to qualifying a lead using a survey. So let me know if there's any comment that you have below and let us start an engagement.